Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open a Picsart application. So now you can see this plus icon on the middle. Tap on this to create a new project or open any old projects. So here you can choose any of the project or open a blank project. Select any one of them. So as you can see, you have opened the editing platform. Now in order to add text, swipe right here in the bottom until you find this text button. So now tap on this text button. Now you can write any of the text that you want to input, and at last tap on this tick button on the top. So as you can see, we have imported this text. So you can even change the font, even change the colors of this text and do what you want. And at last tap on the stick button on the top. So now you're done. So this is how you add text in Picsart. Thank you for watching.